The loudest person in the group never sees the animal first. Out here in the real bush, not the one on your feed, skilled trackers move like ghosts, slow, soft. They notice a bended blade of grass, a single stick that has been eaten by an animal. They don't perform, they don't announce every step, they just pay attention. And somehow they always see what everyone else walks right past. You ever feel like the world got too loud? Like everyone shouting opinions, performing, scrolling, proving, and you're just sitting there taking it all in? That's not weakness, that's tracking. Silence sharpens awareness, and the quietest people, they usually notice the most. If this feels like someone finally saying the thing you've been feeling, Campfire Talk for the ones who seize before they speak.
Fuel your wild desire.